Well, if you've ever suffered a hernia injury before, you know it can be one of the most painful injuries that you can have. Now, doctors, though, have a brand new way to possibly treat that injury. Dr. Vivian Yeilding with Brookwood Baptist Health joins us this morning with some information on that. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Before we talk about the new procedures that are available, just talk about how one gets a hernia. What happens when you get a hernia?
A hernia develops over time. Usually they can be acquired, or there can be hernias that are acquired given that you've had a previous surgery. But basically it's a weak spot in your muscle wall of your abdomen. Or in an area like that where you have fascia or muscle that has weakened over time, and then intra-abdominal organs or fatty tissue are able to then bulge or push through that weak spot and go where they're not supposed to.
Yeah, and that can be very painful. So untreated, it can get worse, right?
It can get significantly worse. This can become an emergency surgically. These organs can get stuck out there. Their blood supply can be compromised as well, and become a surgical emergency.
So anyway, now I will say my late father actually dealt with this, and this is going back years ago. And so the options there for surgery weren't the best. But now there's robotic hernia repair surgery. So this is exciting development here. So talk about it.
This is a very exciting development. We utilize the Da Vinci robotic system to assist us surgically to repair these hernias. This allows for a minimally invasive approach which it's similar to a laparoscopic surgery, in which we're able to utilize smaller incisions. Thus, these patients do better from a pain standpoint. They're able to have shorter durations in the hospital post-operatively, and they're less likely to recur given that they have smaller incisions.
Now, how long has this procedure been available and the success rate of it?
This procedure's been available and really markedly become more advanced in the last 5 years. It's been available over the last 5 to 8 years, but it's really become advanced over the past few years, and the technology with the assist, because we are able to repair it with a primary repair with suture and actually close these where the weak spots are and bring the muscle back together and then reinforce it with mesh.
Well, and I know a lot of people probably get concerned anytime you're talking about surgery. I know in my case, I'm a bit concerned about the safety of it, but you mentioned that it is a safe way to get it done. So in terms of recovery time, how much time would you spend in the hospital?
Sometimes people are able to go home the same day depending on the hernia size.
Wow.
Many people might be 1 to 2 nights and that's it.
And would a normal doctor be able to diagnose whether or not you need this surgery right away?
Yes, sir. You would clinically present with significant findings that would help any physician know whether you need it emergently or urgently. All
right. Well, hopefully nobody experiences this, but if you do, it's great to know that this is available to you. Robotic hernia repair, doctor. We really appreciate your time this morning. I know you helped a lot of folks. Dr. Yeilding from Brookwood Baptist Health. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right.